this video we are assembling the donut box. So I have already started putting some of these panels on, and I have assembled the bottom. The top is going to assemble the exact same way that I did the bottom. And I am just using brown ink, and I'm inking the edges of my frosting. And I'm also going to ink the top piece. See if I can get a little bit in here. Okay. So just apply your panels all the way around. I'm doing mine before I put the box together. It's just easier when it's flat. The piece does not go all the way down to the bottom, and leave a slight edge all the way around. And then your top piece, you just want to make sure it doesn't go over onto your fold line. There we are. And then you're just going to glue these pieces all the way around. Okay, almost finished. Okay, now I'm just going to test it out, make sure that it fits. And then I'm going to do the top. So just like the bottom, this glues over 2 tabs. So at the second spike here is where you put your glue, and bring this around and glue it. I'm just going to hold it for a few seconds. I'm going to slide it through. to put glue here on each little tab. And then I'm going to glue this to the inside here of the box. When you glue it, you'll want to look at the side and make sure you're lining this up correctly. And this tube is smaller than the one that's in the box, so this will fit on the inside of that. So let's just glue this down. Make sure I get glue on my tabs so that I know they're going to stay put. Going to then this just fits in, and then there is your donut box. Thank you for joining me.